Welcome to the Tamarind Co-Processing Plant. We're proud of our state-of-the-art facility and the quality of our products.
Tamarind begins its journey here, in vast orchards, where the fruit ripens.
Each pod carries the raw potential for the paste that will follow, carefully nurtured on the tree.
Harvesting is meticulous. Every pod must be carefully handled to preserve quality. Once collected, the pods are transported to the factory, where transformation begins.
Sorting ensures only the best pods continue forward, setting the standard for quality.
Scale and precision are vital. The journey from tree to paste involves many careful steps.
From here, the raw fruit moves into the heart of processing, ready for transformation.
Each crate represents hundreds of pods, each pod a step closer to becoming paste.
Weighing ensures consistency, an essential part of the process that begins here. Labeling the harvest marks the start of traceability, an invisible but crucial step. Movement through the factory is deliberate, each stage building toward the final product.
Ensure the assembly detail on those units is correct before they move to the next stage. And we need that pallet moved to Station 4.
Water cleaning removes remaining impurities. This ensures the paste will be safe and pure.
Excess water is drained carefully. Moisture control begins early in the process.
Machines now assist in separating shells efficiently. This increases speed while preserving the pulp.
The raw pulp still contains seeds and fibers. Further refinement is required before it becomes paste.
Separation systems remove unwanted elements. Only the usable pulp moves forward. Careful monitoring ensures balance between speed and precision. Consistency is critical for tamarind paste production.
At this stage, the pulp begins to take shape. It is the core ingredient of the final product.
Large volumes of pulp are handled continuously. Industrial scale defines the process.
The pulp is now moved toward thermal preparation. This step prepares it for further transformation. Controlled heat softens the pulp. This makes it easier to refine into a smooth paste.
Temperature control is precise. Even small changes can affect the final texture of the paste.
The pulp begins to transform. Its texture gradually shifts toward a paste-like consistency. Multiple batches are processed at once. Efficiency ensures a steady supply of tamarind paste.
The prepared pulp now moves deeper into the system. The next stage will refine it further.
Early testing begins here. The quality of tamarind paste depends on these checks. The initial processing is complete. Now, the pulp enters the core manufacturing stage, where it will fully become tamarind paste. The core manufacturing stage begins here. This is where tamarind pulp is transformed into a uniform paste.
Powerful pulping machines break down the pulp further. The goal is a smooth, consistent base.
The pulp is forced through precision screens. This removes remaining fibers and refines the texture.
Operators maintain strict control over the process. Precision ensures consistency at scale. Vacuum systems concentrate the paste. Moisture is reduced without damaging flavor.
Large-scale systems handle continuous flow. Efficiency is essential in industrial production.
Careful heating thickens the paste. The balance between heat and time is critical. Mixing ensures consistency across the entire batch. Every portion must match in quality. Each transfer stage refines the paste further. The transformation continues step by step. The paste moves continuously through the system. Flow control keeps production uninterrupted. Sensors monitor thickness in real time. This ensures the paste meets exact specifications. Final filtration removes the smallest particles. The paste becomes refined and pure.
Homogenization creates a uniform structure. This step defines the paste's final texture.
The paste now reaches its intended consistency. It is nearly ready for final refinement. Storage tanks temporarily hold the paste. This allows controlled flow into the next stage.
Bring that valve up just a quarter turn. We're showing low on the main gauge.
Copy that. Quarter turn applied. Pressure is holding steady now.
Core manufacturing is complete. The tamarind paste now moves forward for precision refinement and final adjustments. The process now shifts to precision. Every parameter is carefully adjusted to refine the tamarind paste.
Small adjustments control consistency. Even minor variations can affect the final texture. Gentle mixing ensures uniform distribution. The paste must remain smooth and stable.
Operators fine-tune machine settings. Control at this stage ensures product uniformity.
Temperature is closely monitored. It directly influences the paste's consistency and shelf stability.
Viscosity defines the paste's quality. Every batch must meet exact standards.
Parallel processing ensures efficiency. Each tank produces identical results through precise control.
Final polishing removes any remaining irregularities. The paste becomes consistently smooth. Final homogenization aligns the paste's structure. This step ensures a uniform mouthfeel. The transformation is nearly complete. The paste now shows its final form.
Pressure and flow are constantly balanced. Stability across the system is essential.
Data confirms consistency. Every parameter is kept within strict limits.
With refinement complete, the paste is transferred forward. The process moves toward final preparation.
Final samples are taken for confirmation. Accuracy at this stage is critical.
Refined paste is now stabilized. It is ready for final quality checks and finishing.
The texture is now consistent throughout. This marks the end of refinement.
Precision and refinement are complete. The tamarind paste now enters final testing and quality control before packaging.
The final stage begins as refined paste moves toward packaging.
Automated filling ensures exact portioning. Each box receives a consistent amount of paste.
Vacuum sealing locks in quality. It protects the paste from contamination.
Packaging begins immediately after sealing. Each unit is prepared for distribution.
Weight checks confirm accuracy. Every box must meet exact specifications.
Manual inspection adds another layer of assurance. Human oversight ensures consistency.
Sample testing confirms product quality. The paste must meet visual and physical standards.
Laboratory analysis verifies safety and composition. Each batch is carefully evaluated.
Traceability is applied to every unit. This ensures full production tracking.
Final safety checks eliminate risks. Only approved products move forward.
Automated stacking prepares the product for storage. Efficiency remains consistent to the end.
Wrapping stabilizes the load. It protects the product during transport.
Finished products are now ready for distribution. Each box carries the result of a precise process. Quality control is complete. The tamarind paste is now prepared for delivery, leading to the final stage of completion.
The journey reaches its final stage. Finished tamarind paste is now fully packaged and ready for distribution.
Each pallet is carefully handled. Stability and protection remain essential even at this stage.
The products move in a controlled flow. Timing ensures efficient dispatch.
This shipment is confirmed in the system.
Good. I've logged the manifest. We can seal this pallet now.
The factory doors open to the outside world. The product is ready to leave the production line. Loading is performed with precision. Each pallet is secured for safe transit. Securing the cargo prevents damage. Protection continues beyond the factory walls.
The journey extends beyond production. Distribution connects the factory to markets worldwide.
Large-scale distribution ensures steady supply. The process now reaches consumers.
At distribution centers, products are stored and prepared for delivery. Organization ensures availability.
Inside each box lies the final product. The transformation from raw pod to paste is complete.
The paste reflects careful processing. Texture and consistency remain uniform.
The product is now ready for purchase. Each unit represents a controlled industrial process.
Consistency defines the final presentation. Every box meets the same standard. From orchard to factory, every step has been carefully managed. The process is complete.
What began at raw tamarind pods has become a refined product. Precision defines the entire journey.
The finished tamarind paste stands ready. A complete transformation from nature to product.